wettest channel on the internet.
We're back, and guess where we're going? Yep, we're all hooked up and we're going to the water. But before we get there, we gotta fill them up. And I guess this time it wasn't that bad. It was only $70. And well, like I said before, you gotta pay to play. And today we wanna play in the water. So we're gonna get going and head towards Halover Marina. And hopefully we can get there before it closes. And by the way guys, today is Fresquito's first time driving the truck with a trailer in the back. And so far so good. He hasn't hit any curves. But the question is gonna come is, will he be able to back it up at the ramp? Well, there you have it. He did it without a problem. Now, I'm going to let him keep practicing on the little trailer and maybe on the Island Hopper too before he hits on the big boy Hydrosport. But I'm going to let you guys on a secret. The longer the trailer, the easier it is to go backwards. But you got to make wider turns when you're going forward. So we're here. Going to have some fun in the sun, in the water, in the Miami water. It's a jet ski type of day because the boat's too big and too much hassle. Plus we're running short. We only got 2 crew members and a friend. So let's go with the show. En el agua, baby. Yeah. Well, let's go by the sandbar first and then go to South Beach. Chilling. Here we go with the show. En el agua. Boy, it's super high tide. So it's that type of day. Just gotta be in the water. Running short on the crew, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? That's the good thing about the jet skis. When the rest of the people don't want to come, we take advantage. And we got lucky because it's 11 o'clock and the ramp was still open, but we were the last one in. And if you love the water like we do, it doesn't matter how you get there. On a jet ski, on a boat, on a yacht, on a kayak, on a paddleboard, it doesn't matter as long as you make it to the water. Look at the sky. Don't tell me the Miami weather's gonna chase us here too. But I guess it's gonna have to catch us. Because we're gonna ride out no matter what. Rain or shine, baby. We in the water. We in the water. Well, it looks like they're celebrating something special, and you can't find a better place than to do it on the water. Our plans is to head down south, but before we head down there, we're gonna go ahead and stop by our favorite spot, Haulover Sandbar South, and say what's up to my good friends Aquatic Flavor.
You already know we taking flight here in beautiful Miami, Florida with Fresco Channel. Let's go!
Well, just in case if you didn't know, that's DJ Smiley from Aquatic Flavor. And like you can see, there's plenty of boaters already here enjoying their day.
We're gonna ride out, take a cruise down to Miami South Beach. Check out the Marine Stadium. We haven't been there in a while, so we're gonna ride, baby. Then we'll come back to the sandbar. Woo! You ready to jump?
Yes.
Uh-oh, we got a first timer going out the inlet.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if it's gonna chicken out or not. Beautiful to Miami, baby. We're here. Gonna enjoy the day out on the water, and the boaters are doing the same thing too. Woo. Here we go, guys. We're going now the famous Haulover Inlet, but you know me, I'm a lucky guy, so you know what that means? It's gonna be flat on the way out. Woo! And actually, I wanted to make a few jumps, you know, but it's cool though. Look at the pelican chilling. Here we go with the show, baby. Come on. Let's go. Wow, the Miami water is super salty. My eyes are killing me, and I forgot to bring the goggles. My goodness, woo! It's gonna be a long ride down south, but we can do it though. We can do it.
Now here's the part that I think is funny, because usually the inlet is really choppy and wavy, but today it was flat, but once we hit the outside it got choppy. So I guess nature was doing things backwards today. I don't know, but we're still gonna go.
All right, so after about 45 minutes of getting banked up and the waves in the water, it was a little chop out here. Maybe 2 to 3 out here, but made it to South Beach. And now it's time to keep going to government cut and maybe find something else to do here, because it's too choppy to hang out in front of South Beach. Look at that. Yeah, it's 2 to 3 with occasional 4. And that's why they get so hoppity. But it's fun though, that's what makes jet skiing fun. Jumping the waves. Baby!
And now we're coming in through beautiful Port of Miami. The right of us is South Point Beach. And on the left of us, we have the most richest island in Miami, Fisher Island. And now you see the cranes there, so that means we're entering the Port of Miami, where the cargo ships come, unload, and pick up. And here we have one of the tour boats that come out of Bayside Marketplace, and it's pretty popular here with the tourists because it's always full of people. And we have reached our destination, Miami Marine Stadium. And as you can see, there's plenty of people already here, from jet skiers to yachts and regular boats, and even sailboats. So we're gonna go in and cruise around and see what everybody here is up to at the Marine Stadium. Because from the look of things, it looks like everyone is having a great time. And for those people that want to work out but don't like going to the gym, well, riding a jet ski could give you a full body workout. Such a workout that for the next few days, you won't be able to sit down. And for more exercise secrets like this, make sure to follow me. And editing this part of the video, it kind of reminded me of a question that I got in one of the comments. And the question was, why do I mostly record women on the boats? And that's an easy answer, because women look prettier than men. But that's not the actual answer. The actual answer is women outnumber men in Miami. Yep, there's a lot of women in Miami because normally you'll see a boat with 3 or 4 guys with 8 to 10 girls in the boat. And most of the time is friends and families out the water enjoying themselves. So that's the reason why mostly you see girls in the videos on the boats. And also a lot of women in Miami are actually renting out yachts to celebrate their bachelorettes party, like we have a few today going on. And you guys already know how the song goes. Girls just want to have fun in the sun, or at least it seems that way.
So we're here cruising around Marine Stadium. Remember guys, I just saw a few jet skiers going fast through this area, and this is all idle zone. I don't want you guys to get a ticket or your day gets all screwed up because you didn't follow instructions. The big sign when you come into this area, this whole area here is idle zone. Plus you can see all the boats anchor up, so you know, so those guys, you know, just be careful, you know, out there and respect the signs. But yep, we're here cruising. We're doing the Miami tour, Fresco Channel Miami tour on a jet ski. So now we're right here at Marine Stadium. Let's get ready because this weekend it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, baby. Sandbar Life Party. Make sure you make it Saturday, the 23rd of July. We'll be out there having some fun in the sun. And there's gonna be a lot of surprises there. So we're in front of the legendary Miami Marine Stadium that I think a company bought it and they're supposed to rebuild it, but I don't know what happened anyway. I like the artwork. Reminds me when back in high school. Yep, I used to draw graffiti back in high school. And break dance. And yes, I'm capable, but I can't break anymore. I'll break a bone.
Well, there you go, guys. If you're planning to visit Miami and you're going down south instead of up north by Haulover, now you can come check out Marine Stadium. There's plenty of action and things to do and things to see here. And I think we've seen enough because we spent about an hour cruising around the yachts and the stadium itself. But I think it's about that time to start heading back up north towards Haulover Sandbar. And if you guys like this trip, you could do it yourself. You could launch off of Haulover Marina, go through the outside out of the cut, cruise all the way down by South Beach, come in through Government Cut, and then hang a left, and then you'll run into Miami Marina. You can hang around here and then work your way back up north. But this time we're gonna ride through the Coastal because it's a much comfortable ride and smoother water. But all that and more is coming up tomorrow because we hanged out at the sandbar, met some really cool fans that they were having a great time having some fun in the sun with aquatic flavors. Then we caught lunch and headed outside the inlet one more time to jumps some really big waves. So make sure you check the little bell on the notifications and it's checked to all, so like that you won't miss the video.